Y ahora vamos a dirigirnos al depósito de chatarra de Savi, que aunque a primera vista pueda parecer chatarra, en realidad aquí lo que se hace es crear tu propia espada láser. Y nosotros tenemos ahora a las 3 y 5 la actividad. Ya la hemos cogido como hace 2 meses, tengo muchísimas ganas. Tienes como 4 tipos de espadas que puedes ir personalizando. Yo ya tengo en mente también la mía, así que nada, vamos a ir para allá y os la voy a enseñar. Mirad, esto es lo que os he dicho antes, aquí hay 4 tipos diferentes. Por ejemplo, el primero es de paz y justicia, el segundo es de poder y control, el tercero elementos naturales y el cuarto es de protección y defensa. Thank you.
On that all day? Yes. Ooh, and allow me to introduce you to the rest of my crew. Crew call. Over here, we have Irina. Over here next to me is Tom. There is Joy. And over here by the door, we have Pat. And then we have Steven. And you may call me Kembe. But, yes, we are scrappers. Yes, we are surrounded by old junk. But some of this old junk is new junk. Now, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And what we really do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, well, that is what we smuggle and hide here among the junk. So just in case a stormtrooper walks in, well, they will just see junk and crates against the walls. But those who stay and listen closely will learn about our priceless history. Now, before we go any further, I must ask you this. You have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes?
Yes.
Good, good. Well, we hear there's a new Jedi, and she has been spotted right here on Batuu, and her name is Rey. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we've been waiting for, which is why you're here, to build one of these. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and most powerful enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. And today, as you construct your very own lightsaber, you will feel that connection. But where do we start? Where do we begin? I'm glad you asked. We begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. You see, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. Maybe you know some of these colors from history or legend. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now legend has it, perhaps, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and eventually Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Jedi General Mace Windu. Red, it has been called the color of power. It's the crystal of Darth Maul, Sith assassin Asajj Ventress, Darth Tyrannus, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future, to look ahead. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, in this moment, before you choose, I need you to focus. Clear your mind, and all builders, close your eyes. And picture in your mind's eye the colors I, Kembe, will mention out loud once more. Blue, green, violet, red. And you will notice one color shines brightest amongst all the other colors in your mind. That color calls out to you. So now open your eyes and select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Now builders, after you've selected your kyber crystal, carefully place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. You will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have selected. You will of course begin by building your very own lightsaber hilt. Now that will be the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and the only thing that your hands from being disintegrated. You can always get new hands, but your original hands are best. We got a better picture. All right, take a look at your boxes. To the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber's chassis. All the way to the far right, you'll see your activation plates or your controls. In sections 1 and 2, 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, your very powerful blade emitters. In section 4, your pommel caps. Now, please turn your attention to the find of gatherers standing in front of you. They will guide you through this ancient tradition. So builders, are you ready?
Yes!
Yeah, it's time to build.
What's up guys, my name is Enzai. I'll be helping you build today. So first we're going to take our chassis. Make sure like mine, this bottom side is facing up towards the ceiling. Because we're going to put our kyber crystal into the chamber of the chassis here. So the bottom of this chamber pushes down like that. What you want to do is just put one point of your crystal into the bottom hole, push down, and slowly slide the top point into the top hole. So you want to make sure that crystal is straight up and down between those two holes. You also want to make sure that your chassis is flashing the light of that kyber crystal.
Okay.
Excellent. Perfect. Give it a little spin. Make sure it's in all the way. I think you almost got it. Crystals are a little tricky the first time.
Next, we're going to move on to step number 5.
They're a little slippery. There we go. Perfect. I think our thing is like this. Perfect. So now we can move on to column 5. These are your activation plates. You have 2 options. You can either do the top 2 or you can do the bottom 2. But once you've decided, flip them over to the inside for me. Perfect. So one plate will have a red square, the other plate will have a blue square. You just want to line that up with the red and blue square on your chassis.
Okay.
So blue is going to go right on top of blue, push it in. Red is going to go right on top of red, push it in, and they will snap around the crystal.
The blue with, okay. Maybe it's first blue?
Yeah. Just make sure blue is...
okay.
Oh, you have it right.
Yes.
So that one's on that one. Just put that blue square right on top of the blue square. So flip it. So wait, take it off. So put that blue square right there.
Sorry.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect, guys. So I'm going to have you flip it over so that the top is facing up again. Slide up on that switch. So we're listening out for this spark noise. There we go. I heard yours. There it is. Slide up on yours one more time. Perfect. So that spark noise is important. We want to make sure we hear it every time we slide up on that switch. So now in column 1 and 2, these are your grips. You have 4 options. You can choose any 2. Pick any 2 of the 4. Pick your 2 favorites. So very important, guys. Each one of those grips has a thicker band. You want to make sure that thicker band always goes towards the middle, either on one side or the other. Thicker band towards the middle. Then you're going to push and twist until it tightens.
This can be on the top and this on the...
Yeah, that is up to you.
Okay.
Make sure to go with your gut. Yeah, just make sure
Like
the
this?
thicker side, so the thicker band is going to go towards the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're going to push and twist. There you go. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. No, you have it. You can put it wherever you want.
Like this?
Yep. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Yep. Thicker band towards the middle, push and twist. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. And then do the same thing on this side. Excellent. Are you happy with those 2 grips?
Yes.
You can move on to column 3 for your emitter. You're going to twist that onto the top. Yeah, so the thicker side, that silver side is going to go towards the middle. No,
¿Cuál te mola más?
that one. Yeah, that one's a little tricky.
¿Cuál este? Más cool.
Excellent. Alrighty. So you can move on to your emitters for the very top. The top is going to be the other side with the hole. And then your last piece is in column 4, guys. That's going to be for the bottom. When you're twisting on that bottom piece, just make sure everything's even.
Como es este, ¿no?
Nothing is cross-threaded, no holes, no spaces.
Mucho mejor.
When you are happy with your hooks, rest them on the stands in front of you. I'm going to do one last safety check for everyone. Do you like your completed design?
Yes,
I'm going to do one last check. Let's make sure everything looks good on the inside. Perfect. So, Pepe will say activate. All you got to do to activate it is slide up. Deactivate, slide right back down. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hostia, qué guapo, tío.
Well done, Bill. The hills look fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful hilt, my friends. How do you feel?
You don't want to over tighten the grips because that will damage the chassis on the inside. So once they tighten, you're good to go.
It came to you in real time.
Excellent. So,
Chulo, está
Pepe's going to say activate.
Delta 7 and Delta 7B. These are ships made especially for the Hill. Now those ships don't exist, but it does exist. Congratulations. Well done. All right. Well done, builders. Take this moment now to hold your lightsaber in your hand. I want you to first feel the weight of your lightsaber. It is said that your lightsaber should bring you strength in battle, yet humility in retreat. Now, feel the texture of your lightsaber. Know that each piece chosen by you is a direct reflection of your creative skill and imagination. Now, I will ask you to place your hilts back in their saddles. We're about to move on to a very dangerous stage. But before we move on to that dangerous stage, I need to do a really quick safety check. Very technical. 2 blues, 1 red. All right, we're moving on. Ha-ha. Okay, now, please, step away from your stations against the walls. Please stay in that location until I can make all you forward once more. Now, what we're doing is very dangerous and must be done by those that are trained. We are now attempting to stabilize the pistols. This is usually done by a force-sensitive being, but we, the gatherers, are not force-sensitive. We cannot harness the power of the force. So we must use our technology and place your lightsaber hilt into our crystal stabilization chambers. Now these have been tempered. And from there, I will send a signal through the system to make sure we are clear and ready to go. Now that.
Well done. Chosen apart with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hand on your hilt. And on my command, and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes!
Please move forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, please raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. It only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath. And wherever you see that symbol, our symbol, may it remind you of the knowledge we've passed on to you today. Because our time here is at an end. But your journey, that's just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you've just built. So one last time here in this workshop, please raise your lightsabers and activate them. Till the spire!
Till the spire!
Well done, everyone. everyone. Please collect your cargo. And you all exit through those doors. And collect your savings so you can enjoy. The galaxy awaits. Right this way. Good luck.
Qué chulo, qué chulo. Increíble, espectacular.
Have a great day, guys. Congratulations. Have a wonderful day, guys. It's going to be played in first, okay, guys? Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. It's going to be played in first, okay? Have a great day, guys.
Bueno, ya lo habréis visto, ya hemos hecho la espada, me han dado aquí, no sé si lo veréis bien, luego os lo enseño mejor, una funda para la espada, o sea, espectacular, o sea, se me ha puesto hasta la piel de gallina cuando hemos encendido todos la luz de la espada láser. Y ahora tenemos como en media horita otra actividad que es crearnos nuestro propio robot y también os la voy a enseñar.
Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied.